Right?
Got a care package on the way.
Nah, they cleaned out this care package.
Alright, yeah, let's go. Yeah, they're all down here at the respawn beacon. They're sliding down here.
Matt, watch that other squad. If they
I see another squad way the fuck up here. What are we talking about?
That squad here is Pierce's gunfire. They might try to push back this way.
Echo's got an angle. Moving there.
Yep. Zip, 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 zip.
I'm here.
Broke.
I'm going after him.
Another one.
Broke.
Knocked
I'm going
one.
after that dick.
He dropped gas. Got him.
Squad?
Yeah, squad. He dropped immediately.
Okay, sweet.
Bitch.
Very nice, ladies.
Down here, down here.
Right there.
On me. Oh, fuck.
I'm recharging my ED.
Oh, I broke one.
Reloading.
Walking
push up
pylon
the edge.
out. Go.
Valk's broke again.
Valk down
Oh.
one.
Watson's down.
Nice.
Got one.
Very nice, ladies.
I don't know who got who, so kind of fair game looting.
Yeah.
Well, I didn't get the guy at the end, so that's definitely.
Ooh,
not mine.
baby. No, I'm good. I'm hitting with this G7 right now.
Close range.
What is that?
Massive.
No, not what I mean. I need small heals if anybody sees them.
Any heavy mags at all?
Recharging my shield.
He might have one because he has a flat line. Let me check again.
Nope.
He didn't.
Fuck me, I guess.
Getting some healing.
I don't like being down here, I guess.
Yeah, no, we can definitely go back up.
Yeah.
This guy's got a
Yeah,
no. This guy's got a digital threat if anybody needs it.
I got one good. I got one on my car already.
All right, I'll be right up.
Watch my back.
Chris, did you take that one dude's heavy ammo?
Yeah.
Oh, damn.
I didn't mean to get that. I was reloading my G7.
Oh, there's some down here.
Crafter, right by the crafter, and then there's a guy on this roof right here.
Yeah, I see him.
Praise tag. Take him
There's
down.
a guy down in the.
I saw an ash thing come
let's
from this
see.
way. This might be the last three right in front of us. I
Me
kind
coming
of
up.
think it is. On top of this roof right here is another one.
Yeah.
Praise been hit.
I ain't got long range. This is all y'all.
I can't hit shit with this G7 from here. It's too far. I'm gonna watch behind us. Just no, I don't really need to, but I'm gonna at least still half pay attention just in case.
Already in the next ring.
Cause who fucking knows?
Just 2 other squads left.
That's 3.
Okay, time to actually start trying.
I do have a zip. We can jump down if we need to. They're fighting in this house.
Yeah, if you got your zip, set it up. We don't have to go just yet, but set it up. Yeah, if they're going, let's move down.
Let's get. There's
Yeah,
one.
top
Let's
of the
go.
house,
We got
there's
this.
not.
Come on. I'm gonna try to zip up and inside.
I'm
I can't.
above, dude.
They're out.
One squad left.
Oh, he just out here.
Picking up, I think.
Broken ash.
Get see.
One of them's got gold. No, one's up.
Oh, it's the Wraith.
Yes! Get some!
Good shit, boy.
Get fucked! Hell yeah!
I thought I killed that ash, but she was definitely still up, so I don't know who got her.
Oh, I did. It was
Nice,
a Wraith.
good shit.
She was still up.
There was a wraith in the corner.
That
Yeah.
bandage was trying to hide on the bed. I let her up.
Nice, ladies.
I wasn't sure if you guys saw her, so after that was my first spot. I was going to look. And I
One
thought,
fucking kill. That's okay. I'll take it.